Hi friends, how to find the group data mean? So method number 2 is assumed mean method. Now one of the example, consider the following distribution of daily wages 50 workers of a factory. Here we given daily wages and number of workers. So 200 to 250 12 workers, 250 to 300 14, 300 to 350 8, 350 to 400 6, 400 to 450 10. Now here we want to find the mean daily wages of the workers of the factory by using assumed mean method. So given data is right in first column daily wages in rupees. In second column we write number of workers, it is frequency. So 200 to 250 12 workers, 250 to 300 14 workers, 300 to 350 18, 350 to 400 6, 400 to 450 10. Now third column class marks, so it is xi. Now how to find the class marks? Already we know the lower class limit plus upper class limit by 2. So class marks formula is lower class limit plus upper class limit by 2. Now here for example one first 200 to 250 class interval. Here number of workers is 12. Now find out the class marks. So for the class mark, here we want 200 to 250. It is equal to 200 plus 250 by 2. So 200 plus 250 will be get 450 by 2 is equal to 225. Now first row here we write 225. It is class mark. Similarly find out the 250 to 300 class mark. It is equal to 550 by 2, it will be get 275. 300 plus 350 will be get 650 by 2 will be get 325. 350 plus 400 it will be get 750 by 2 will be get 375. 400 plus 450 it will be get 850 by 2 is equal to 425. These are class marks. Now in this one here we want the assumed mean. So small a is called assumed mean. How to find the assumed mean? Now on observation here we write xi values 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 assume here we write class marks are 5 numbers is there. In this one middle one is we take the assumed mean. So small a is equal to here 325. Now here small a is equal to assumed mean. Take small a to be the that xi which lies in the center of x1, x2 and up to x5. So finally we say that small a is equal to here 325. Xi values here we take the middle value. So which is the middle value? Here we take the assumed mean. So already we know the here total 5 numbers is there. So third number is the middle value. So that's why here we take small a is equal to 325. Here d is equal to deviation. It is equal to xi minus a. Now then after find out the d, that means xi minus a. X means how much here? 225 minus a, that means 325. 225 minus 325 it will be get minus 100. Second row here we write xi means here 275 minus 325 it will be at minus 50. Next in third row here we take xi is equal to 325 minus 325, it is equal to 0. Now fourth one 375 minus 325, it will be get 50. Last one, 425 minus 325, it is equal to 100. These are DI values. Then after find out the fifth column, Fi into Di. Already we know the frequency values and Di values here. So multiplication of the 12 into minus 100, it will be get minus 1200. 14 into minus 50, it will be get minus 700. 8 into 0, it will be get 0. 6 into 50, it will be get 300. 10 into 100, it will be get 1000. Now total simplification, that means minus 1200 plus minus 700, it will be get minus 1900. 300 plus 1000, 1300. So total simplification, finally it will be get minus 600. It is the sigma Fi into Di. Now here we write assumed mean method formula is small a plus sigma Fd by sigma F. We know small a is equal to 325 and plus sigma Fd value is now in this one minus 600 and the sigma F value is 50. Now on applying the sigma Fd is equal to minus 600 and the sigma F value is 50. So finally we say that assumed mean of this method 325 plus into minus 600 by 50, it will be get 12. So finally 313. So the mean daily wages of the workers of the factory mean is equal to X bar is equal to 313. Thank you friends.
Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Thank you.